Alright guys, so well, at least we'll have some good parking, but it's really warm in here, so that's nice. We made it, guys. We made it. So let me give you the grand tour. Oh, you got a nice big bathroom here. Yeah, see, nice little sink. You got the amenities. What more do you want? Your plastic shower, all your towels. Okay, so let's.
It didn't even. Right. It just made one sound. It went boop. Boop. Nothing.
Okay, guys. So, we can park. Okay, grapes go in the fridge. Okay, so not sure what I paid for this. I think it was $55. So yeah, you get your jollies off for $55. Here, there's a picture of Chicago, because some of these guys out here, guys, when you book on Expedia and Booking.com and stuff, sometimes you'll find a hotel like this in Morris, Illinois, 50, 60 miles outside of the city, and the geezer will say this is Chicago, and you're like booking the hotel, and you're like, okay, it's not really in Chicago if it's 50 miles away. All right, let's see if the TV works. Okay, so the TV works, and it's set to the History Channel. So at least we got one TV working. Guys, it's really warm in here because it was warm all day. So I don't know if they kept this thing. Oh yeah, they kept it on at 72, but cool. We'll keep it at 65. Fan, we're gonna do high because we're gonna dry some clothes. So yeah, let's do like 66. Yeah, I love it nice and chilly. I don't like it too hot. Nothing past like 67. So yeah, for 55 or whatever, you guys got your businessman's closet there. Hang your jackets and your clothes. You got a lovely hair dryer that does not work. Oh, maybe because it's not plugged in. Genius. What? Yeah. All right, guys. Yeah. So very, very busy. Very busy afternoon. Check-in or check-out time. As soon as I walked in, everybody else showed up. Anyways, guys, we are gonna cut it right here. Thank you for tuning in again. Yeah, obviously this is what you guys see. You see what you can get for $55. It's really nice. Non-smoking, definitely. Smells really nice in here. It's got carpet, so kind of warm. Cause yeah, yesterday with that floor, it had like a solid vinyl floor, and it was glued down. You could feel the coldness of the cement. So yeah, you have to have flippers, flip-flops, or slippers. So yeah, guys, thank you. Hasta la ciao ciao. Bye for now. Over and out from the Motel 8 by Wyndham in Morris, Illinois.